Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 16th of November 2020. So this quiz is conducted every week on Monday to prepare ourselves for the environmental science exam and to know something about environmental science. So let's see who is the winner for this week's quiz contest, and if you are new, you want to participate, then you must read this rule book and be ready next week for the quiz contest. And you can be also one of our top performer if you are winning with the maximum combined score from all weekly quiz in the month. So without wasting much time, let's discuss the questions first. So the first question was, which is the second most abundant element in Earth's crust by its weight? And here the correct option will be option number B, silicon. Yes, as you can see in this picture, oxygen is having the highest percentage in the Earth's crust, that is 46%, followed by silicon, that is 28%, and then aluminum, which is 8%, and followed by other elements. Let's move to the second question. The second question was, on the basis of toxicity, identify the correct statements. And here all the three statements were correct because methyl mercury is the most toxic mercury species and arsenic 3 is more toxic than arsenic 5. Similarly, chromium 6 is very toxic. So all of the above will be the correct option. Let's move to the third question. The third question was, which is the most common form of lead present in the pesticide? And here the correct option will be option number B, lead arsenate is the common form of lead present in the pesticides. Let's move to the fourth question. The fourth question was very simple. The question was, the major source of carbon monoxide gas in the urban area is what? And here the correct option will be option number B, transport sector. Yes, all of the above will not be the option because agriculture is found in the rural areas and the question is asking about the urban areas. Let's move to the next question. The fifth question was, the carbon dioxide enters the atmosphere through which of the following process? And here the correct option will be option number E. Yes, because the burning of fossil fuels are the major reason for the carbon dioxide release as well as burning of solid waste. And one of the important fact is that cement clinker manufacturing process also releases huge amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The next question was, which is the characteristic feature of the element lead? And here the correct option will be option number C, that automobiles exhaust release lead in the atmosphere and it can also withstand weathering and chemical erosion, that is corrosion, and it can easily molded also. So the first two statements are incorrect for the characteristic of lead. The next question was, the carbon dioxide is used as what? And here all these three options were correct because all of this will be the correct option. It is used as a refrigerant. It is also used in fire extinguishing agent and in beverage carbonation, that is in cold drinks and all you have seen the fizz effect. So all of this will be the correct option. The eighth question was very simple yet very basic. The question was, 1 ppm, that is 1 parts per million, means what? And here the correct option will be option number B, 1 parts per million mean 1 part in 10 lakh. So millions means 10 lakh. That's why the correct option will be option number B. Let's move to the ninth question. The ninth question was, which process in the water treatment is used to trap and remove the floating matters like paper and wood by using automated mechanically raked bar screens? And here as screens are given, it was very simple. The correct option will be option number B, screening is the process. Time for the last question. The last question was, which light is mostly used as disinfectant for killing of germs? And here the correct option will be option number C, UVC is mostly preferred as the disinfectant for killing the germs. And now it's time to reveal the name of the winner, and the winner is Mati. So congratulations to Mati for securing 10 out of 10 marks, and along with Mati, Nuzhat Khan and Anwar Bande have also secured 10 out of 10 marks. So congratulations to both of you. And other participants were Nisar Ahmed, Falguni Mohanty, Walid Ahmed, Pragati Singh Biswa, Rajapan Suganthi, Diksha Pandey, Kumari Shruti, Nematullah Nazari and Priyaka Soren. So thank you all for participating in this quiz and making it a successful one. So keep participating in this quiz contest and you can be one of the top performer of this month. So So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed till now, and don't forget to hit the notification icon because you will get the notification as soon as I upload any video. So see you guys in our next video.